Hi everyone, it's great to have you here today with us in our Tekmatix group training session. Today I'm going to show you where the conversation AI lives inside Tekmatix, what it can actually do for your business, and how to set it up as a chatbot step by step. By the end of this session, hopefully you will understand how to create a chatbot and that can reply to your leads, answers common questions, captures details, and help you move people towards booking or becoming even a customer. I think it is a great digital team member that can respond when you're busy or in a meeting or simply can't back to somebody straight away. Let me share my screen with you so you can see. All right, just making sure I got the right screen. Okay, so this is your dashboard, and you would go to AI agents. The first thing to do would be to create a knowledge base. Knowledge base is pretty much the brain of your AI agent or the personality or whatever the you want the AI agent to be like. It will be set up under knowledge base. You can pick several agents here. Most of them, a lot of them are free, some are paid. You can actually pick one just to say what it involves. But today we will just create one ourselves. Ah, we are on the template. Sorry. All right. Create a knowledge base. Let's do it for Tekmatix and add. Okay, so you have several options how to create a knowledge base. One thing would be by web crawler, creating an FAQ, a text, uploading documents. I am going to say the web crawler is great, but I would use it carefully, especially if you are using it for voice AI, because what the AI in the background sees is much more than what we can see on our screen. It sees all the data, all the codes, everything. And therefore, if somebody asks it a question where it has to go back and think about it from the website, it can slow it down a little bit. And it sounds like your AI looks a bit slow, but it's just because it is on the background and going through all these codes to find the right information. So best is if you can to let your get your website through AI first. Let's say if you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever you're using, get it to put all the information into a document and upload it here. That's how I would do. But for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to go ahead, do everything as normal, and you will see it is still pretty good. Okay, at a website, let's put Tekmatix, just general website. Okay, train this page. And it is learning. And let's add some FAQs. We should have some FAQs here in Tekmatix. I love FAQs because most of the time, depends what you're using it for, but the chat box does answer a lot of FAQs and it is great to do it for. And also, you can add questions people ask, even if you don't have it on your website, you can add it here so your AI knows the answer. And great way of training your agent. So you have to add each of them one by one. Okay. Ooh, got a big answer to that question. Let's do just three. Ah, keep doing this. Okay, the web crawler is trained. You can also say what it's taken. Okay, tables. Can add tables, text, files, whatever suits you, you can add. We were very excited when we were able to add files when that arrived first. Okay. Okay, we called our agent. Yeah, this is just knowledge base of Tekmatix. Okay. And then let's go to Conversation AI. Let's work on creating a chat box, prompt base, and then you can think of what would you like your chatbots to do? Answer general Q&A questions or make appointment for you. Yeah, and you can just create it yourself. Let's do this. And look at this. You can do for SMSs, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, or WhatsApp, whatever you like to do, wherever you need it, it can help you with. And the amazing thing is you can also use it as a suggestive, and but that would still rely on you. That means you have to be live there and approve what it says. So autopilot would be the perfect one. What shall we call our chat box? Let's call it Lana. All right. And then this is default name. That's good. And look, this is it doesn't look automated. So let's give it, yeah, let's give it 3 seconds. And this is maximum messages a bot can send per conversation. If somebody's sitting on your chat box just for fun and keep writing back and forth and stuff, that's when it becomes handy. 75 is quite a lot, I would say, probably 10 or maybe max 20. But yeah, just let's leave it. All right. You can set it up the way you like. Yeah. Okay. Save. And then next part is both training. You can test it out here yourself. Okay, let's say, what does Tekmatix do? Tekmatic is an AI-powered, all-in-one business operating system. It handles marketing, sales, course creation, website, CRM automation, and more, all in one platform. We created this in 2 minutes. I am a trainer. Do you think Tekmatix could help me? Absolutely. Tekmatic is built for trainers like you. You can create and sell courses, manage clients, automate marketing, and handle everything in one place. How do you compare to HubSpot? Tekmatic gives you everything HubSpot does: CRM marketing, automation, sales, course creation, and more, but all in one platform, one subscription, and with 24/7 support. We haven't uploaded anything about pricing. Let's see how it's going to handle this. How much is it? The question is very vague as well, but let's see. Techmatic has two pricing plans, and you can pay monthly in Australian dollars or US dollars. There are 7-day free trial for exact pricing. Check Techmatic's pricing. It is amazing. It's gone through other pages and found that information. Can you tell me? Can you tell me how much it is per month? Okay, it keeps telling the same thing in here because we have only giving it one page. So you do have to add each page you want your AI chat box to know about. But this is pretty amazing. So from here, okay. So in both goals, you have the personality. You would add here exactly what your brand personality is and how you would like your bot to answer questions. Goals. We have here your goal is to assist the clients with secure questions and stuff, but you could also say book appointments. And here is more information on how it's supposed to talk. Put here everything you think it should not answer, as well as everything you want it to answer, such as can you please make sure they give you a phone number if they book appointment, or the phone number doesn't matter. If the client doesn't give it, it's still okay to book an appointment as long as you have an email address. Because I've seen cases where the chat box pushes for something and it isn't important for the business owner. So it is always great to go through the end questions people ask, see where the issues there, and adjust it accordingly. You get every day to test the boat out. So I would, it's especially at the start stages, test it out so much until it knows everything, until you know for sure it is going to answer the questions in a right way. And you can always put the thumb up or down to give it a good feedback. Like, here we go. This is good. This is good. This is good. Good. Let's say a bit down. But saying that we should put here then the pricing details. Okay, so it can book a point, whatever you put here, it can do for you. Let's say you wanted to book appointment, you choose the calendar and give access to your AI bot and answer those questions, and your AI can book an appointment for you. And yes, you have to look through the permissions, allow it to cancel appointment or reschedule appointments. Only send book. Some people like to just send a booking link. They worry about the AI not being able to book it properly, or post board responses after booking, trigger workflow. If you have a workflow ready for your appointments, you can put it here and anything you want. Just make sure to set it up the way you would like your business, um, your AI bot to run. Okay. And it can send you the conversation summary. And again, you can set that up the way it suits you. Okay, let's save this. And here, once your AI has handled any chats, triggered workflows, anything, it will come up here and you will be able to see everything it's done. And therefore, you have full control of what it can do, what it can't do, and you can check and audit everything. So from here, if you would like to have that AI bot on your website, you would go to websites and chat widget. Let's say hey, you can set up on your AI chat box here. They have There is a little change being made. Hold on.